Hey guys, how's it going? So I decided to finally upgrade to the latest Apple Watch Series 11 in 46mm jet black because my previous one is getting way out of line with the current world and competition. I got a Wi-Fi only, still no LTE, as I've always found myself 2 centimeters away from my phone, even with the last Apple Watch, hence I don't have to spend extra money on LTE model. Lucky for me. So unboxing experience is pretty much the same as any Apple Watch series, but just a little different from Ultra because it's Ultra, It has to be different, but it is certainly different from the cheaper entry-level SE, as you get the engraved Apple Watch branding on the top, then printed on the SE box. But the aesthetics are up to you. After all, it's just a design. But I still take it as an upgrade. But you do get a nice little pouch that is reusable fabric instead of a paper fiber wrapper on any SE that most people just tear off. So I decided to upgrade from an Apple Watch SE first gen after almost 6 years, which I bought back in late 2020. And since I've stopped getting major software updates, so why not bully myself with another liquid glass interface on an updated different device? So all the stuff you get in the box is literally the same, other than few packaging design changes, but you do get lots of new stuff to experience when you upgrade over a longer period of time, like going from a thick bezel 44mm to a thinner 46mm with always on display and jet black finish is enough of a reason for me, and of course the new major software updates to enjoy new watch faces. So hence I am really excited to use it as my new daily driver. And as always, setting up an Apple Watch is fairly easy enough. So let's put on the straps for the very first time. These are the same as you would always get the sports band. And there it is, the liquid glass. Hello. A quick setup tour. It has to show how the buttons work and what it does. And there it is. So here's the SE side by side. The difference from my older one to the newer one is literally enormous and exciting. Double the storage and new hypertension notification, which is nice to have. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to its water test and other tests in few days and the review. And that's the story for today. See you in the next chapter. Peace out.